Survive the wild, forest life hacks. Lost deep in the forest, Sarah faced a daunting challenge when her group got separated during a hiking trip. With nightfall approaching and temperatures dropping, she had to rely on her wits to survive the wilderness alone until rescue arrived. The forest is a realm of beauty and danger, where weather conditions can shift rapidly. Dense foliage, unpredictable wildlife, and challenging terrain make it a place where preparation and adaptability are crucial for anyone venturing into its depths. Maintaining composure is vital when lost in the wilderness. Panic can cloud judgment and lead to poor decisions. By staying calm and focused, you can think clearly, assess your surroundings, and prioritize essential tasks to enhance your chances of survival. Finding clean water is crucial for survival. Look for clear, flowing streams or collect rainwater using leaves or tarps. Avoid stagnant water, which may contain harmful bacteria. Purifying water by boiling or using filters ensures it is safe to drink. Identifying edible plants and insects can provide nourishment. Familiarize yourself with local flora and safe-to-eat insects. Avoid plants with white berries or milky sap, and always test unfamiliar foods slowly to avoid potential allergic reactions or poisoning. Creating a basic shelter is crucial for protection against the elements. Use fallen branches, leaves, and any available resources. Position your shelter to shield against wind and rain, ensuring it provides warmth and insulation during cold nights in the forest. Starting a fire without matches requires creativity. You can use a flint and steel, or create friction with a bow drill. Gather tinder and kindling carefully, ensuring they're dry, to ignite a small, controlled flame for warmth and cooking. Natural navigation techniques can guide you when lost. Observe the sun's path, noting its rise in the east and set in the west. Pay attention to moss growth, which often thrives on the north side of trees in certain regions. Signaling for help is vital in emergencies. Reflective objects like mirrors or shiny metal can catch the sun's rays, creating a bright flash visible from a distance. Signal in groups of 3, an internationally recognized distress call, to attract attention. First aid knowledge is indispensable in the wild. Knowing how to treat cuts, sprains, and insect bites can prevent infections and complications. Carry a basic first aid kit and familiarize yourself with natural remedies to address injuries when resources are scarce. Encountering a wild animal in the forest can be daunting. Stay calm and avoid sudden movements. Slowly back away while keeping eye contact. Make yourself appear larger if necessary, and avoid turning your back, which can trigger predatory instincts. Carrying essential survival gear is crucial. Prioritize a multi-tool, first aid kit, firestarter, and a durable, lightweight tarp. These items can be lifesavers, providing solutions for shelter, warmth, and basic medical needs while occupying minimal space in your pack. Staying dry and warm is vital to prevent hypothermia. Wear layered clothing to regulate temperature and choose materials that wick moisture away. Create a waterproof barrier using leaves or a tarp and stay off the cold ground when resting. Knot tying skills are invaluable in survival situations. Learn basic knots like the bowline, clove hitch, and square knot. These can secure shelters, set traps, or create makeshift tools, offering adaptability and resourcefulness in various scenarios encountered in the wilderness. The sun and stars serve as natural guides when navigating unfamiliar terrain. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west, while the North Star remains a constant nighttime guide. Familiarity with these methods enhances your directional awareness. Collecting rainwater is crucial when navigating the wild. Use large leaves or tarps to catch rain and funnel it into containers. Always prioritize collecting and purifying rainwater, as it's often the safest natural source available during survival situations. Creating a makeshift compass can be life-saving. Float a needle on a leaf in water after magnetizing it by rubbing it on silk or hair. It aligns with Earth's magnetic field, providing you a sense of direction. Leaving a travel plan with someone before heading into the wilderness is essential. This simple step ensures someone knows your route and expected return time, increasing the likelihood of rescue if you encounter unforeseen circumstances or become lost. Understanding the importance of rationing food can significantly impact survival duration. Eat small portions at regular intervals to maintain energy levels. Prioritize nutrient-rich foods and remember that sustaining energy is crucial, especially when resources are scarce. Survival is as much about mindset as it is about skills. Staying positive and mentally resilient can make a significant difference. Focus on achievable tasks, celebrate small successes, and remember that maintaining a hopeful outlook enhances your ability to endure challenges. Surviving in the forest requires a blend of practical skills and mental resilience. From finding water and food to building shelter and starting a fire, each skill is crucial. Staying calm and navigating using the environment are key to enduring the wilderness. We invite you to share your own survival experiences or tips in the comments. Your stories could provide invaluable insights and encouragement to others who might find themselves in similar situations. Join the conversation and become part of a supportive community.